who is most beneficent and merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am here to submit my submission on the topic 14th August. 14th August is a common date like other dates of English calendar for nations, but for Pakistani nation, this date is the most remarkable day in the history of Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th August according to English calendar. While according to Islamic calendar, it was 27th of Ramzan when Allah blessed Muslims with the pious homeland. Along with place with the secular land and a home for a Muslim, a cause of fun, a dream, and a struggle of women for life. The word Pakistan is made by combining two words, Pak and Stan. Pak means space and Stan means homeland. Therefore, the meaning of Pakistan is homeland of pious people. People gave sacrifices of their life for independence because they could not follow Islam independently and could not perform their religious duties properly and subcontinent. They were punished or discharged when they performed their religious duties. It offended Muslims, but as they were weak Muslims, they could not do anything. Names of people like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, and Syed Ahmad Khan are always written in golden words in the history of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, also known as Quaid-e-Azam, is the real founder of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal, who incited Muslims to earn their own nationality and name in the world. Allama Iqbal, who incited Muslims to earn their own nationality and name of the world. Quaid-e-Azam, the father of nation, sent Quaid-e-Azam, the father of nation, sent for people of Pakistan in his address in Ziyarat Day. Making of Pakistan was a difficult task. I could never have accomplished it alone. It was the Ruhani ways of Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that Pakistan came into being. Now it is the responsibility of every Pakistani to make it an example of Khilafat-e-Rashida. Thanks for being here with me, Allah.